sa mga illegal logging. Team building, we do a lot of team buildings before. Kasi ngayon, medyo retired na ako sa youth. Pero yung radio show namin tuloy-tuloy pa rin. Ito, si Doyle Luna, yung kilala niyo, tsaka si Ian Barcelona, fellow speakers ganyan. I think nag-talk na rin sila dito before. Kaya may mga TV guesting, you know, Voice of the Youth is inspiring, informing, involving, and empowering young people. So if you want to be engaged with Voice of the Youth, you can create your own Voice of the Youth here. And I help you kung gusto niyo mag-create. Wala namang bayad yan. Volunteerism nga eh. All you have to do is to follow your heart desires. And someone will help you, listen to you. Kasi marami tayong bagay na gustong gawin na hindi natin magawa dahil nahihiya tayong sabihin o wala tayong paraan para masabi sa iba natin kasamahan. The Voice of the Youth, if you have a plan or something in your mind, the group will help you create it. No? Yan. Na-feature kami sa newspaper. And we have a voice acting workshop. I also created yung Society of Young Voice Artists of the Philippines. Almost lahat ng bago ngayon sa ABS ng mga voice talent nag-workshop sa Creative Voices. We have a TV show. We do a lot of events like Metro Comic Con sa Mega Mall sa SM. Mga anime yan, mga cosplay. Yeah. And I had a chance to travel, no, in different parts of the world. For free, as a youth advocate. Diba? May ganun. And I had a chance to be with these people. May iba-iba mukha ko. Nung natataka rin ako, sa totoo lang. Minsan mataba, minsan payat, minsan adik lang. Ayan. Ang ating mga kapuso! Excuse me po! Yeah. I had a chance to work with these people. Next, future congressman of Bataan. Ako, si Nonoy Aquino, walang pagbabago. Anong walang pagbabago? Wala pa siya pa. Ayan, sige po. Obvious naman, sinong bata ka. Eh kasi doon kanina nakapula ako eh. Sama ko si Noy. Ayan, Ayan. Ano na nangyari? Hindi ko alam. Okay. Mamaya, balik ako dyan. I would like to request my good friend and partner to be here to inspire you. No, he's a former DJ in Lucena, now a famous voice actor. He's one of the voice lovers sa Pure Love, no? Nanonood kayo ng Pure Love. Tsaka yun yung ginawa natin. Ha? Helena's Promise. Napanood niya? Ang sinasabi ko lang sa iyo, Elena. Sandali lang kami. Kilala niyo ba ang tatay ni kami? Ako yun. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Mr. Bob Cuopio.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Yes, my name is Bob, and let's make this